Friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself, Ala here. I'm welcome you all to my channel. And this video and the final update on our Google Sheet for intraday option scanner and advanced option strategy scanner, which we are using for positional stock option as well as intraday stock option scanner. And final, the update which we are planning for an Camilla R4 level, that breakout which is happening after 9:30. So that we are finally completed on our Google Sheet scanner. So that was working good and well. So today a lot of opportunity which we are finding out. So that a particular breakout and lots of options. So because we were Nifty were negative near about 120 points, but in the morning session that was nearby 200 points, and then initially recovered. So finally it recovered and closed with 123 points negative. So some options which given 9:30, so we find out that Coal India and a lot of stocks. So some of the stocks which triggers our entry. So in this case, IOC, Indupetro, and one more stock I seen, two stocks I seen. I remember. Just a moment. So lot of stocks that was given you such a good opportunity like Indupetro, IOC. These are all the stocks by opening itself it triggered. So let me come to IOC 170 foot option. So I was see 170 put option that may be triggered our entry point in the first candle itself. Okay. So by the opening itself, it is greater than our entry point. So if you take by the opening, so why we are avoiding the first candle? That means in the first 15 minutes candle, most of the time that is a reversal also can be possible. To avoid that reversals, so we are simply using the second line onwards. That is the main condition which you have filtered or which you have created on this particular scanner. So here you can see the R4 level is 8.5. Okay, so R4 level for IOC 170 put option is something around 8.5. The stock is started in the first candle where you can see it is started 8.8. It is greater than our entry point. So maybe the stock list is around 915 or 916. But if you this position when we see the stock on the list and it came down and it is below 6.65. So immediately in the first 15 minutes itself we are facing so to reach a loss, that is not a good thing. So because the reversal which can be happen after a gap up or a gap down, so that out of the functions we are ignoring the first 15 minutes candle, any stock which triggers our entry point. So that is the new logic which we have implemented on our Google Sheet right now. So this is available in ignorable trade, so which is happening. And second time, so after this second nearby 45 to 10 o'clock candle. So that again a second time that given to the breakout. So whether this time I want to, so that is an important point. Just going to explain you here. So this is an entry which is happening on second time. So entry when you get the answer breakout. So before that particular so watching again. So here breakout point is 8.5. So it was happening 45 to 10 o'clock candle and this 15 minutes. See, before that, the high, should not broken. So that we consider as a valid breakout. And this is not a valid breakout because in the first candle we avoid. So right now. So it will be 9:30. So after 9:30, the sheet will done. Which already greater than 100. So all the stocks would be removed from this list. That will help us to find out a fresh breakout trade. So that is the concept. Okay. So this one is today's an example. So into Petro. So I was seeing into Petro. I will show you Petro. What should be the strike price is 500. Let me check. In Petro 500 put option. That should be here. You can see the first candle. It is started with greater than our entry point. So our breakout point is 19.75. Where it started with somewhere around 29. But after that, it moved around 51. So but our breakout point does not yet break down this particular stock because it is opening itself. It is greater than our breakout point. So we simply ignore such a kind of stocks. Even it can move higher, but we don't want to take a much risk here. If I'm taking R4 level as a breakout, maybe I keep my stop loss below 17. But if I'm taking around 30, I can keep my stop loss even R4 level, it is more than that. So in that way, I'm with this Google Sheet, so we are not going to focus bigger stop losses. It will be as a scanner. And some stocks like today I see it given an opportunity and then it returned back. So let me check that 970 when it has happened. It's a right entry. Starting with the 970 option. You can look at this. It is happening on 9:45 to 10 o'clock. So we make to get an opportunity nearby 10 o'clock. So that was an valuable opportunity. So if I'm looking for a break, 7.3, the camera level. Okay, 27.3, the R4, and I keep my stop loss below 23 or 21. My risk ability, you can keep any of this. So maybe I'm giving this as a my stop loss 23.85. So nearby 3.5 rupees is my stop loss from that entry, and this option went to 37 nearby. Okay, so from 27 to 37, 10 rupees higher. So more than 1 is to 1 risk reward ratio. That's good enough on intraday. So we can exit out from the trade. Some of the trades like DLF after return back to our entry point. Seen that DLF and Coal India and TFC is the one that was giving you such a good opportunity. 400 put option, which I just seen this in a live market. PFC 400 put option. So big breakout, which is happening on the second candle because when I'm watching this from 9:30, so what stock which given me the trigger at 9:30, so that would be a good opportunity. Maybe some of the stock which can be triggered after sometimes later. Okay, so we have seen REC also. I'm just looking for. Here in this case, 460 on REC. Let me check REC what is happening. 460 put option. Second coming breakout, and it went up to where it is from. So from the level of 20 and our supply maybe around 17.3 and it went up to almost 25. So after that it came down. So what the risk which I would take in this and so from that I go and I keep stop loss maybe 1 is to 1 or greater than or trial over stop loss. And that was in achieving our target more than sufficient here. And after this big move and it came down to the level, but in our sheet again came back to the same level nearby. Well, but it is already initially it moves down and then recovered back from the low and it moves the top level. Okay. Even if we find out opportunity and Apollo TVS Motor also a good opportunity today. TVS Motor 2140 put option. The TVS Motor 2140. I think those who are watching our Google Sheet in a real time, so you will understand how we pick an entry opportunity. You can see this is happening on the first candle itself. So you simply ignored it. So because you can look at this first candle high, it's 54.90. Our entry point is a 54.1, but it is giving you some good movement. Stocks you simply ignore it. I don't want to take that much of stock because while using our Google Sheet to find out a few opportunities, one or two for a day, it's good enough. So not to take all the things. LNT 3600. Let me check what is happening on LNT 3600. Seven. So here it is happened. So our stop loss is also not triggered, target also not triggered. Finally closed with the same level. Our breakout point was 79.8 and after the breakout it went up to 90. So our risk which we are talking about 60, maybe the pivot level. So it's about 20 point, more than 20 point, just about 10 points is more and close with the same level. Maybe if you stop loss trigger, reasonable trade which we are taken out of on the breakout and the breakout itself. But so you are filtering out some conditions. to get only validate the signals. So 9:30. So mostly some 10-20 stocks which can be triggered in the 9:15 to 9:30 due to some gap of opening. So that avoid that conditions, we have added some modification on our scanner, and it will be finding a quality signals after 9:30. So if you want to access our Google Sheet, it's a monthly subscription available. So WhatsApp number it's shown on this video. You can contact, and even you can get more detail about the Google Sheet. You can also access the sheet, and you will be finding out your own trade opportunity in stock options with this option scanner. So I hope you understood and how to use it as a Google Sheet scanner. You will be finding some opportunity. Thank you for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. If any other questions, just ping me on my comment box or WhatsApp. Thank you so much. Thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.